Okay, so we are looking at a 2022 Outlander GT. Black color, gray interior, which we're gonna have a look at in a second. But let's start with the front of the vehicle. It's all brand new, redesigned for a 2022. Now, Mitsubishi call this front design dynamic shield. It's shaped like this with lots of chrome around your headlamps, which, by the way, the headlamps are right here and the daytime running lights are up here. Very nice, big, bold design with three diamonds in the center of the vehicle, so they haven't lost that. But I really like the chrome things around the headlights, and the fact that these are daytime running lights and these are the headlights actually makes it more aggressive, more like stands out more. If we look at the side, it's a little bit harder to say, but on the black paint, but on here you have really nice accent lines go all the way like up and down, and it kind of gives you that horizontal design on this vehicle. It looks like really nice, clean and sporty. By the way, those are 20-inch wheels. Pretty impressive looks. Don't need to upgrade to anything. That's how it'll come. The back of the vehicle, very nice T-shape lights. When I turn them on and off, like it's okay, there we can see. Not quite. Oh, there we go. So right here, this gives you extra sporty, aggressive looks to the vehicle. Very nice, clean back. Same thing, like the three diamonds stand out. What I like about it, there's no exhaust pipes. You can't see it, like it's actually underneath there. You can see the exhaust pipe. Very nice super all-wheel control badge, which, by the way, is standard on all the 2022s right now. It's quite nice like that. A convenience feature for the new 2022s is the proximity key. So basically, you don't need to lock and unlock. If you have the vehicle, if you have the key in your pocket, you just approach the door like this, press this little button here, open up, and there we go. You can enter your Outlander. Let's have a look at the interior now. Now let's have a look at the interior, which is truly a leap forward. It looks so nice, especially with this gray color scheme. So black outside and the gray leather inside. Look at all the diamond stitching. Very nice. I do like a lot this contrast between the black and white, or the black and gray. And then no matter where you peek through, you can see the diamond stitching and the really that gray accent light, like, makes it really stand out. It gives this luxury feel. Very, very nice. Okay, so the interior is very, very nice. Definitely first thing that stands out is the diamond stitching. And it's right here on the panels. The seats have diamond stitching. The passenger, driver, back seats. Very nice and luxury feel to it. The steering wheel stands out as well. It has this perforated leather, which is a very nice solid grip. It's actually like a good thick steering wheel. There's a lot of soft material used throughout the interior of the vehicle. Right here on the doors, right here, the panel. I love the stitching. Look how well it's done. It gives you this really nice luxury feel. This panel here, it's a little bit harder, but still soft plastic. Now, when we look at the vehicle, how the interior is designed, it does have this horizontal design, which makes it very spacious, clean, and modern. And that's exactly how it feels. It feels spacious in here, clean lines, and overall very modern looks. If you look at the shift knob, it's real nice. The screens, the LCD screen, which we're gonna have a look at it in a second right there. The steering wheel, again, it's worth noticing. The feel, the thick feel, the perforated leather around here, all the controls are very easy to use. It's truly, truly impressive. Okay, so once we're in the car, let's hit the start button to start it up. I really like how this graphic starts up. Another cool thing is once we switch the dial that changes different driving settings, has the beautiful images change as well. That's kind of neat little thing. Now inside of the car, it's nice thick steering wheel, has very solid feel to it. It does have the interior a horizontal styling, which it makes it spacious. So this was the knob that we switched earlier to change the settings on the drive mode. Shifter, front, back, reverse. It has a heated steering wheel, which is quite nice. Dual climate control. The driver and the passenger can adjust their temperatures. Nice screen up here, which is a touch screen. And we can change the map. We can add Google Maps. We can use for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Very nice screen. This car also has a 360 camera because it's a GT. It has a 360 camera, so you can see there's the rear, and this is the bird's eye view that you're getting. Quite nice as well. So another very cool thing Mitsubishi added for the 2022s is the panoramic roof. It's very big, massive, goes literally almost all the way. Let's open up the shade part of it. So here, and this part right there actually opens up if you want to. There we go. Press of a button, you have extra fresh air coming your way. Quite nice, convenient feature added to the 2020s is the kick motion tailgate open. So you go there, kick it underneath the bumper, and the trunk will open up. So let's see how that works. Going here, boom, kicking, done, opened up. Super convenient if you're coming out of the grocery stores. You don't want to get your key, lock and unlock, open the tailgate, does it for you, and you can close it the same way. So I'm here doing the kick, and boom, closes up like that. If we look at the back of the vehicle, there's also a couple of things that really stand out. Again, the diamond stitching throughout, very nice. It does have the sunshade, manual sunshade. Look at that. Put it like that. It does. Basically only luxury SUVs have features like that, and Mitsubishi made it super available for everyone. Look at the diamond stitching in the back here, and here we have a separate controls for the climate control, and you can get heated seats in the back. How cool is that? Now these seats slide front and back, so if you need extra leg room for somebody in the third row, which is right here, not a huge space for the third row, but then again, it's not meant for a lot of space. It's more like for those practical situations you might need them. But this part here, let's try to shift it forward. There we go. Slides forward and moves backward. The middle part here, you can fold it down. I can't really do it with the camera. Let's try it. There we go. You can fold it down like this. One other very nice and luxurious feature is the head-up display. That's definitely something super nice. Let's see how that works. Start the vehicle. I hope we're gonna be able to see it show up. Let's see. Okay, it appeared right there. We kind of can see it right there. Oh, there we go. So it shows you the speed and the cruise control settings. Really nice. So that's a nice convenience feature to have. I can turn it on or off. Well done. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check out some other videos I made.